Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you press it and wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called Wi-Fi, and once you find it, tap on it. And here scroll down to the list of networks. And here we have the list of networks, and as you can see, I am connected to this one. And if you want to disconnect from the network, tap on it, then tap on forget. And as you can see, now it's not connected anymore, and we can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.